Do you want to grow beautiful roses in your garden? Today, we're diving into the world of roses, a beloved choice among green thumbs for their unmatched beauty and intoxicating fragrance. The process of growing roses can be simple and rewarding if you follow these steps. First, it's crucial to select the right type of roses. From hybrid teas to floribundas, each variety has unique growing needs. Consider your garden's climate, soil type, and sun exposure. Choosing the right roses for your garden sets the foundation for a thriving rosebush. Once you've selected your roses, the next step is to plant them correctly. The ideal time of year for this is in early spring. Dig a hole deep enough to accommodate the root system, typically about a foot. Space each rosebush about 2 to 3 feet apart to allow room for growth. Don't forget to water them thoroughly after planting. This is crucial for establishing healthy roots. With the roses planted correctly, you've taken a significant step towards a beautiful rose garden. Now that your roses are planted, maintaining them is the key to beautiful blooms. A healthy rosebush requires regular watering, nourishing fertilizing, and careful pruning. Watering is crucial, especially during dry spells, but be sure not to overwater. Regular fertilizing promotes growth and flowering, while pruning helps shape the bush and encourages healthy growth. Be vigilant for common pests and diseases. Early detection and action can save your roses. Regular maintenance ensures your roses stay healthy and produce stunning blooms. Growing beautiful roses doesn't have to be complicated. Reflecting back, we've journeyed through choosing the right roses, planting them with care, and maintaining them for a vibrant bloom. The reward is a garden graced with roses, a sight that warms the heart and soothes the soul. Gardening truly is a labor of love, and your roses are a testament to that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.